This is a quick tutorial on how to install VisualText, which in reality is the NLP++ language extension for VS Code. Go to any browser and type in VS Code download. You'll get a link to download the Visual Studio Code. You can install the Windows version, Linux version, or Mac version, depending on what operating system you are using. Then once you open up VS Code, you'll see these icons to the left. Click on the extensions icons, go to the top and search for NLP, hit return. You'll see the NLP++ logo and extension right at the top. You click on install. It's now installing. And once it's installed, you can come over here. Now you're going to see an NLP++ icon. You click on that. Then you want to come up here and open up what we call the bottom panel down here. You can also use Control J and open that up. Once you do that, you can click on VisualText here. And I'm going to make it a little bit bigger, so I'm going to drag it up a little bit here. And you can see, in fact, that it's downloading some things it needs, the engines, some library files, so that you can start using NLP++ and VisualText right away. You can see it's unzipping, and this will happen every time you reload VS Code with NLP++, and it'll check for new versions and automatically update those for you. So that's all updated. Now, if you want to then try out some analyzers that come with this VS Code, the VS Code extension for NLP++, you can come down here into the analyzer section, click on this little icon. It says load default analyzers. It's going to go to the folder. You can say, yes, I do trust them. And it's going to load up that folder with all the analyzer in. You got to come over here, click on NLP++ one more time. I'm going to hit Control J this time. Click on VisualText. Again, you can see it checking its version again. It's just to make sure everything's okay. Of course, you've got it all, so it's much quicker. And there you have now 4 analyzers. The corporate analyzer, when you click on that, you can see the analyzer appear here. There's a files analyzer that shows you how you can process files and do things with files. There's a no-op, just a very simple, like almost hello world. And then there's the full English parser. You can run that a full English parser. I'll run it on this DOJ. Well, I'll run it on a smaller sentence like the quick brown fox jumped over the lazy boy. What you do is you can click on the text you want to process, click on the little arrow. You're going to see down here an analyzing text, loading KB and analyzing. So we'll wait until it's done processing. This is an interpreted version. This is a big full analyzer for English, so it takes a little bit longer. And once it's done, we'll be able to look at the tree and browse through that. And once we do that, here it is. Here's the final tree. You'll notice that the tree is kind of not very colorful in the way we like to see it. So we're going to push this button, and all of a sudden you're going to see the colors pop out here, and that's the tree for the sentence. You can see it's totally diagrammed, as they say, or parsed. Now, if you want to change these or modify any of these, the corporate analyzer, for instance, you want to come in here, you're going to run it, the analyzer, you're going to look at the output, you're going to take a look at the knowledge base, you're going to say, oh, that's interesting, but I want to modify these. But what you want to do is you want to click on these copy all analyzers, and what that'll do is it's going to move it to somewhere else other than this area, because these analyzers are located inside the VS Code extension. And when the VS Code extension updates for a new version, it'll wipe out those whatever you have there and put in the fresh version of these analyzers. So you may want to go put it somewhere on your computer, like the C drive in some development area or whatever, and this will folder to copy all analyzers to, so then you can do that. Okay, I hope this gives you an idea of how to quickly install this, and enjoy. If you have any questions, you can email us. You can email us at support@visualtext.org. Thanks so much.